Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Oral-B Braun toothbrush not charging. Dock and battery fix. Fix 1. Check the charging dock. Unplug the charging dock from the power outlet, then wait about 30 seconds. Plug the charger back into a working wall outlet, then place the toothbrush on the dock and make sure it sits properly. Second one is clean the charging contact. Remove the toothbrush from the charger, then wipe the metal charging area on the handle with a soft dry cloth. Clean the top of the charging dock. Dry both parts completely before charging again. Third one is reset the toothbrush. Take the toothbrush off the charger, then use it until the battery is completely dead. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Put the toothbrush back on the charging dock. Leave it charging for 24 hours without removing it. Turn it on and check if it starts charging normally. Fourth one is reposition the toothbrush on the charger. Lift the toothbrush off the charging base, then place it back on the charger so it stands straight. Make sure the handle is fully seated on the charging post. Check if the charging indicator appears. Thanks for watching.